Meet the Mayku FormBox, a desktop vacuum former that brings your ideas to life. Powered by any vacuum cleaner. Create your next invention in minutes. First, print your design, insert your material. The FormBox copies it in seconds. Cut, customize, and craft each of your creations. A superpowered production line at home, ready for adventure. Pick up incredible detail at hyper speed, down to texture finer than a grain of sand, and create clever products good enough to eat. Design shapes the way you want them, multiplying your 3D products at home. FormBox reproduces shapes in seconds. To start your production line, just add your personal touch and watch your ideas fly. The power of making in your hands with the Mayku FormBox.